So let's take a look at this question talking about how electromagnets work. So it says figure 2 shows a toy crane. The toy crane uses an electromagnet to pick up and move the blocks. Explain how this electromagnet is able to pick up and move these blocks. So we're going to look at firstly how the switch turned the electromagnet on and lift the blocks from the ground. So for 6 marks, it's going to take explaining it into 6 different steps to get all the marks. So the first step is when we turn the switch on, the circuit is going to be complete and therefore a current goes through the coil. After this, we're going to see that because there's a current in the coil, that means that there's going to be a magnetic field that is produced around the coil as well. As a result of this, that means that the electromagnet is now going to become magnetized. So you can see that the person here can maneuver the crane to move the electromagnet and therefore lift and move the blocks around. So this is what we need to explain for the last 3 marks. So the first point I'm going to say is that the crane is lowered to then pick up the blocks using the electromagnet. As the blocks are made of a magnetic material, they're going to attract the electromagnet and stick. So the next thing is that you can then move the crane to the position that is desired. So we'll put that next. So now it's in its desired position. The last thing now is to how we're going to actually drop the block down. So because the circuit is on, the electromagnet is attracting the blocks. But then to stop that from happening, we need the electromagnet to turn off. And to do that, we turn the current off in the circuit. So the last point is to turn the switch off so that the electromagnet demagnetizes and then the block is dropped back onto the table. So there's a breakdown of several steps you need here. It's 6 marks, so you want to make 6 different points.